Okay, this is a little bit better quality video. Maybe the sound will come through a little better. This is the area where I'm hearing it. I'll move it back and forth a little bit without bouncing it, so you can hear. And go back the other way. Somebody was asking about when it engages, like on the transmission. Right there I can feel it engage, and then I got about that much. And then on the other way, right there I can feel it engage, and then have about like this. You know, the other thing is the sound just without it hitting either of the stops. So I don't know if that's normal, but if I don't let it bounce, this is kind of what it sounds like. So, never mind the fact that I might need some new tires.